If you use Opera and want a faster way to stay organized, this video is going to show you exactly how to switch between workspaces and how to create a brand new one in just a few clicks. Workspaces are super helpful when you want to separate school, work, personal browsing, or different projects without opening a bunch of extra browser windows. So if you've ever wanted a cleaner, more productive way to browse, this is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, look over to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is where Opera keeps a lot of its built-in tools, and right near the top, you'll see the workspace icons. These icons represent the different workspaces you already have available. To switch between workspaces, all you need to do is click one of those workspace icons at the top of the sidebar. As soon as you click it, Opera will move you into that workspace, and you'll see the tabs and browsing setup that belong to it. This makes it really easy to jump from one group of tabs to another without losing track of what you are doing. For example, you could have one workspace for work, one for entertainment, and one for research. Instead of keeping everything mixed together, Opera lets you separate them so your browsing stays much more organized. And the best part is that switching back and forth is quick and simple, so you can stay focused without wasting time searching through crowded tabs. Now, if you want to create a new workspace, Opera makes that easy too. Look all the way down to the bottom of the sidebar and click on the three dots. This opens up more options for managing your sidebar and workspaces. From there, click Add More near the top of the menu. Once you click Add More, Opera will let you create a new workspace. Just follow the on-screen prompt and your new workspace will be added to the top of the sidebar with the other workspace icons. After that, you can switch to it anytime by clicking on it just like the others. This is a really useful feature if you like keeping your browser organized and want a simple way to separate different parts of your online life. Whether you're handling multiple projects, comparing research, or just trying to reduce clutter, Workspaces can make a huge difference in your workflow. So to recap, to switch between Workspaces and Opera, go to the top of the sidebar and click the workspace icon you want. And to create a new workspace, click the three dots at the bottom of the sidebar, then choose Add More at the top. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.